Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to minimize flat areas in Civil 3D surface using previous drawing from the previous exercise, which you can download from the description link from the previous exercise, and you will open that drawing for this exercise also. The contours data has some tight curves in flat spots. You can see here because we was create that surface from the polylines which have elevations. So when you will create your polylines and put them in the surface, it will give you lack of accuracy. So we will try to minimize these error in this exercise using flat area minimize flat area command or tools in this exercise. So you can zoom on different places here in the surface and you can see the difference between the original polylines and surface contours which we was created in the previous exercise. So how can we adjust these errors? Just go to the prospector tab here, and under the surface you have this surface e.g. polylines. Just expand e.g. polylines, then you have definitions here, and here you will click edit. Under the edit we have minimize flat area. Just click on minimize flat area, it will open minimize flat area dialog box. Now note that the dialog has some option found in that portion of your original add contour data dialog. So click OK to accept all of them. Okay, when you will click OK, you will see some difference. Now you can see here we have much accuracy, so it's not like before, and our contours are matching now the original polylines which we was used to create these polylines. So it is how you can make accurate surface from these polylines. Now the contour display more closely match the original contours information. There might be a few instances where gaps exist between old and new contours, but in a cursory analysis none was off by more than 0.4 feet in the horizontal direction. Not bad when you are dealing with almost square miles of contours information. So stay with us for more exercise.